Energy is one of the most important and interesting mechanics that humans have. There is a time that you enjoy your time with kids, but also there's a time, like when I say time, it doesn't even have to be days apart. It could be minutes apart, hours apart. Let's say this morning you enjoy your time with kids, right? You play with whatever they are playing, or you're just watching, or you just enjoy being with them. Few minutes apart, you are in front of your desk. Now you are doing your job, doing your works, right? You are focused, you are drained by your works, right? Now you a little bit stressed, and then the kids comes around. They are running all over the place. They are shouting, yelling at each other, and now they are annoying, right? Now they are annoying. Now you want them to stop playing, right? You don't want to enjoy them playing games anymore. You feel like they are so selfish. They are misbehaving. Like they don't care that their dads or their brothers are working here. What are you kids doing, right? It's not the kids' fault. It's not that this kid is naughty. It's not that this children is bad or they are misbehaving or anything. It's just now you have an energy gap with them, right? Your energy and their energy is now mismatched. Like either your energy is too low and their energy is too high. In this situation, when kids are playing, right, enjoying, laughing, that means they are in a high energy, and you're working, you are focusing. Your energy is now at the low, so now you have too big of energy gap to understand each other. So like as an adult, you're often gonna get mad, often gonna get angry, or at least you're gonna tell them like play outside. It not only happens between not an adult human with a kid, right, with a little human. It also happens between adults. Like as long as there's energy gap, you're always going to feel those feeling of disconnected, right? Here's how it matters a lot these days. Like your relationship with kids itself can be improved by you understanding what's happened here, by you understanding energy gap, energy mismatch, right? Like, so you don't just blame the kids, right? You don't just get angry. At least if you're able to discipline your energy, you'll be able to discipline your emotion. You can at least telling these kids like, kids, go play outside. Like, dad is working. It is also important for you to understand energy gap when you are dealing with others, because in most cases when you are at a low energy and you face someone with higher energy, right? Either they are telling you about something, they are telling you about health, wealth, right? Generally the lower energy people needs the ones that at higher energy, because if you think about it, you are at negative energy and someone's at high energy. So which is likely to be better, that the high go to low or the low go to high, right? So generally it's the low go to high. Like if you have poor health, right, you should listen to someone's have a better health. If you are poor, then you should listen to someone that can teach you about financial, can teach you about business.
I bought the bank.
But when there's energy gap, sometimes you find someone that are more wealthier than you, as cocky, they are disconnected with you, or they don't care about you, you feel envy towards them. It's the same with people with better fitness than you. You can sometimes find them as toxic, you sometimes find them as entitled. That will happen when you fail to discipline your energy. You will not only avoid people that actually you need, you also push them away. You also push people with the positive energies away. Not only that, like there are people are willing to tell you comforting lies for you to give them exposure, right? For you to like their content, for you to give, to say something. These people comes as the positive vibe. They show themselves as the positive force to you. But the truth is often that they are giving you comforting lies. And comforting lies, it feel nice at that moment, but it will harm you in long term. Like when you are listening to someone that are having higher energy, they probably going to speak loud to you, right? They probably gonna sounds like they don't care about your feeling, because probably they don't. If you listen the truth, it often hurts, at that time, right? But it can lead you to a better result. Although if you're not gonna get a better result instantly, at least you will have a better expectations. And when you have a better expectation, your expectation is more aligned with the truth. Even though you don't make it at that point, you are prepared mentally to go to a long run, to go to a marathon, your life, your success, right? But when you are embracing, you are leaning toward comforting lies, right? They feel nice at that time, but they can ruin you in long term. Let's say that you believe that you can go through life being unhealthy, unattractive, and out of shape, right? To think that someone's going to care about you while you yourself didn't take care of yourself. It's a delusional, it's a comforting lies. There's people out there that are going to tell you, oh, you're special, even though you're fat. If someone's that are sincere, they will love you with what you are, da 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 da, right? Like when you believe on these things, it sounds nice at that point. And these people, they are willing to go to lower their energy while they are talking to you. Temporary, right? You give them exposure, then they laugh. You are taking those beliefs, you apply it in real life, and it harms you in the long term. At some point, you can end up with an irreversible damage. There is no better time to be able to master your energy, to understand energy mismatch, energy gap, right? To be conscious about this, especially when you are in your fitness journey, or you're in your wealth journey, you are building a business or building a body. Energy is the key of everything. Mastering your energy is mastering yourself. Like, you will less likely taken advantage of. You will be less likely to be enslaved when you master yourself, when you master your energy. When you fail to discipline your energy, it's so easy to take advantage of you because it's a shortcut to your brain. Thanks for listening. Peace to you, take guidance, and see you in the next video.